Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Redacted Archives. This is Assassin's Creed 2, Episode 9. The last episode, we unlocked Ezio's incredible... No, don't lock on. His incredible Blicky. Don't shoot. No, stop. Oh, good God. I don't know why he was locking on. There's a feather up here, but there's also a... Hang on, I'm trying to remember. My controls, there it is. There's a feather, but there's also a secret here. Oh God, I forgot how to play. It hasn't even been that long. There's a piece of the truth on this bridge somewhere. Sorry about that. Where is it? Come on, fast swim, please.
I'm sorry. Please don't hurt me.
I'm not sure where it's at. I'll try to find it. But for now, we're just gonna go straight into anything extra around the map. It does not look like it. You know, I want to find that piece of the truth. So give me a second. Where... I could have tackled that guy, but I'm good. I think... If memory serves right. It is in the water. Kind of. Right. There. There it is. Ooh, I did the worst way to get to it. There we go.
Something was up there. Something abandoned long ago.
Oh. Find the eagle. I'm gonna go slow, so maybe in editing I can translate that. Or maybe you guys can. That's slow? Jesus. It's as slow as I can get it to move. Oh. I was looking for a photo of an eagle, not the probe. With these formidable weapons, the adversaries of freedom plan to consolidate their territory, to exploit, to control, and to finally destroy. Oh, God. Okay. Of course. I absolutely despise puzzles like this. But I did it wrong? Oh, it's supposed to match that. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Oh, I forgot what I was doing. Oh god. There we go. Apollo 11 photograph released to the public. Oh, that's a Templar flag, though.
With Jack deep underground, it was easy.
And I have missed some. So before the series finishes, this is something I would like to complete because it is imperative to the overall story of Assassin's Creed, because this tells the story of Adam and Eve. Which is the first time which this game really plays into the first civilization, which I do not remember what they're called. But essentially gods that use the pieces of Eden to control the world. And Adam and Eve were the first ones to break free of that control. And every assassin is in some way an offspring of those two. They have the power of free will and to think for themselves. Something like that. Oh my god. Come on. What? Oh, I hit the wrong button. Let us continue the story. I hate this. I hate how slow this mode of transportation is. I make it look like there's a locator and there isn't. Man's still running for his life. Maybe I should chase him down. Nah, I'm good. I don't care much for the financial aspects of this game, though I typically would. I do have enough that I might be able to upgrade my weapons. Maybe another time.
There you are! Come, Ezio. I'd like to introduce you to an associate. This is Agostino Barbarigo, soon to be Doge of Venezia, thanks to you.
È un onore fare la vostra conoscenza, illustrissimo. I'm sorry for the loss of your brother.
He had it coming. He was bought and paid for by the Borgia. A mistake I have no intention of making.
Come, Ezio. We have much to discuss. We've located Silvio Barbarigo for you. He's fled into l'Arsenale.
Ha! Fled? You mean occupied, and joined by 200 mercenari, no less.
You're Doge now. Can't you command them to stand down?
The Committee of 41 has yet to confirm my ascension. And this little stunt of Silvio's has only made things worse. He has an entire army at his command.
Then help me to raise my own.
I figured you'd say as much. Bartolomeo d'Alviano is the man you seek. He and his men have little love for Silvio. He resides within the military district, southwest of l'Arsenale.
Va bene. I'll go and see him.
I can't do it mid-recording, but I really need to make a hotkey to mute myself. So I don't have to keep flipping up my microphone, which causes that popping sound that randomly happens. It's not the game, it's not your devices. It is me trying to mute myself so my breathing doesn't interrupt the recording. I don't want to spend money on armor because when I get the armor of Altair, it's the best armor in the game.
Your coin seems genuine.
Speaking of which, are there any...
Silvio Barbarigo. Raised by wealthy merchants, Silvio was introduced to politics when his father was cut out of the family inheritance. From then on, Silvio worked for his uncle, his father's killer. Apparently, he had a knack for persuasion. Quickly, he became his uncle's advisor, proving his worth by discovering a Soranzo plot against the Barbarigos. You're gonna love this. Before the plot could be carried out, Silvio throws an Easter celebration, inviting the Soranzos. There's a pageant for the children in the central courtyard, while Silvio escorts the parents to the roof. He toasts the family, then signals the archers hidden behind the courtyard windows. The Soranzos never plotted against the Barbarigos again. Fast forward 10 years, and Silvio's living in his uncle's luxurious Venetian palazzo. According to the history books, his uncle died in bed.
I didn't mean to play that little thing, but I wanted to pull up my map. No new temple. But we're heading here. So I'm just gonna go straight there. Oh my god, you're kidding me.
Who do you take yourself for, deficiente?
I don't know if it's better to just cut the travel from one side of the, like, one mission to another, or not. I'm not sure what you viewers want to see, if you're more focused on the story, or if you're okay with seeing my very lackluster ability to play this game. So I'm not sure. No, I didn't want to do that. Alright, I'll cut back to whenever I'm at the mission. I popped back to the villa so I can collect this chest, upgrade the villa more. I'm going to turn in feathers, I'm going to put the codexes in, and then I'm going to go down and place the seals back where they belong. First, I'm going to... golly. Rotate these to further fill in the map. I only need two more codex pages and we're done with that. And down here, I think I only need one more key and I'll have Altair's armor. I did not do that. Oh. Is this one that I have the thing for? Place seal, there we go. One more seal, two more codex pages, and like 100 feathers still, because I've not been going out of my way to collect those. Which I might. I'm not sure yet.
Salute, Claudia.
You here to look at the book?
Yeah, I am here to look at the... Oh, no, I'm not. I'm not here to look at the book. I don't care about the book. Damn it. I meant
presto,
to
Ezio.
go to this chode.
Buongiorno. Salute, Ser Ezio. Shall we take a look at the list?
The well, I think there's something in that well. I don't know why the cursor keeps going back to the middle there. Fully upgrade the doctor. Upgrade the blacksmith. I don't have enough money for that. The bank. Ooh, I might have enough. No.
Buon viaggio!
That is all I can do there. Oh, I forgot. Okay, and I'm gonna come up here and turn the feathers. I mean, I am curious of how many feathers I've gotten. Because I've not been trying for that. 17. Awesome. Okay. Now, I'll be back once I'm at the memory start. Alrighty.
You must be one of Bartolomeo's men. What's happened here? Where is he?
Silvio's thugs attacked, took him deeper into the district. North of here.
Requiescat in pace.
Liberate Bartolomeo and his crew. Are there some over here? I was wrong. There are not over here. Oh my god. I almost immediately failed this mission. Really? Why did you jump there? I don't think the game controls the best. As much as I love this game and will speak almost only praises of it, the handling is not the greatest.
Miserabili pezzi di merda! By order! You have no honor, no valor, no virtue! People wonder why it is Venezia's star has begun to fade. Your carcass will be defied this night. I'll show mercy to whoever here has the courage to release me. All the rest of you are going to die! By my hand, I swear it! Evil outgrown man! Sort of man sells his honor and dignity for a bit of coin!
Come on. Shit.
Do you think I don't know why you messed me up? Do you think I don't know who pulled Silvio's puppets?
Shut up.
About goddamn time! I don't know if I should kiss you or slap you. Maybe both, just to be safe.
That's quite all right.
Who are you?
I'm Ezio Auditore da Firenze. I'm here to rescue you.
Let's see who winds up rescuing who.
I thought we already met this guy.
Down there! Stop them!
About
time!
I must have, obviously.
God! Let's see what you can do! What fun this will be!
I believe it's Revelations that starts
We should go.
every time you kill.
There are still more ahead.
Every time you get a kill, your
Perhaps we
next
should try and avoid conflict.
Why?
attack is
No,
like an insta
just
kill.
practical. Given that they outnumber us 100 to
Watch
1.
for the large one. Dante is called. Most of Silvio's men are useless, but that one's trouble. As you wish, Bella mia. Ah, sweet Frida. How I have missed you.
Silvio set his men to ransacking your place. Prepare yourself for a fight.
Finally, things get interesting. Come, let's see what you can do.
There we go.
Finally, things get interesting.
Folly.
Oh, sorry, I've fallen asleep.
This way.
If you value your life, you'll stand down.
Never! What good is a man's life if it's not lived free, eh? I'll not go back into a cage.
Then you'll go into the ground. Kill them.
Let's do it.
What fun this will be!
It's really bad for timing. But when I pull it off, it's so good.
What a mess they've made. Bianca. I hope she is unharmed. Bianca! Bianca!
Is everything all right?
What do you think? Look at this place. And poor Bianca. If something's happened to her. Aha! Oh, my darling. Thank God you're all right. Ezio, meet Bianca. Bianca, Ezio.
Charmed.
So, I know your name, but not why you're here.
I have business with Silvio Barbarigo. I was told you could help.
Ah, it would be my honor.
But it's going to require more than just the two. 3 of us to weaken his forces. How do you suggest we proceed?
I'll go and ready my men for battle. While I do this, I'd like you to rescue those who were captured during Silvio's assault. I cannot, in good conscience, leave them behind.
Intesi. I will attend to it at once.
Good luck out there, Ezio.
I could have swore we already met him. Oh god, I forgot his name. Yeah. I've played this game so many times, I forget what progress I've made when. Jesus Christ, Ezio.
What to do with this lot?
Many thanks for the aid, friend. We'd like to fight with you, if you'll have us.
Let's go.
God damn it. I did not mean to just jump on those people. Are you serious? Oh no! Oops! Oh my god, I can't.
Dai, can! Oh, Bill! Faccio un culo così! Take him! Damn it all! Here!
Hey, a codex page. Look at that. That's convenient. I only need one more of those bad boys. Can you, Jesus.
All right, this way.
A couple of them died there. My bad, jeez.
We are with you, friend. Only lead the way. Seguimi.
Not a single body on the ground. Look at that. Why are they under attack? Okay.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
On me.
And now is the business.
Adesso basta. Sto letto nel male.
Follow my lead.
Stop him! Oh, Bill, ti faccio un culo così.
The slice down the back feels like seems like that's the worst thing to
Together
do.
we will crush the barbarigo.
I saw sprinkles in here. Is there a chest?
I'm a friend. This is no way to behave.
Am I stupid? I am. Okay. I heard a chest that time, but more focused on doing the job than getting some loot. See, it seems like he does what I want him to do when it's not that detrimental.
You hurt someone pulling stunts like that.
Salute, Ezio. Welcome back. And well done. My host is restored to its former glory. Now Silvio will see just how grave a mistake he's made.
How should we proceed? A direct assault against the Arsenale?
No, we'd be massacred at the gates. I have something else in mind. Take my men and plant them throughout the district. The trouble they cause will force Silvio to dispatch most of his guards.
And with the Arsenale drained of mercenaries, I can move in for the kill.
Esatto. You'll be virtually unopposed.
Let's hope he takes the bait.
Oh, don't worry. He will.
Yeah, Bartolomeo. I'm not gonna remember that. This way. This way, gents.
Laggiù! He's there, on him! Time for a little fame, bastardo! Here! Face canal!
Where's the dagger? I don't use that often. And it gives some brutal kills.
Andiamo.
My God! Someone get the guard! Time to leave! Killer, sweet lady, protect me! To get out of here! I'm only visiting! I don't know what's going on!
I love the little dialogue they have recorded for just people that witnessed your heinous atrocities. And I love his arm. Okay.
Wait here for my signal.
As you wish.
This way.
God damn it, I'm not trying to kill them.
I see him! There! My God!
Fall in.
I swear, I'm not killing the innocents on purpose. They're just getting in my way. You know how it goes. Jesus Christ.
Adesso basta! Here's a little lesson in math. Get him!
Let's go. Hold your ground here.
Consider it done.
All right, this way.
I have to wait for them to run all the way around.
Break something, the idiots.
Will they run around? Oh my god, stop. Come on.
There he is! Lagu!
Of course.
Never seen a greater gas.
Get up, come on.
Adesso basta! Here's a little lesson in math.
I didn't mean to do that.
Adesso basta!
Lock on to an enemy. Or don't lock on an enemy. Stop. Stop. Jesus.
Fall in.
Air for all.
Hey.
Whatever I did to deserve this punishment, I'm sorry.
Here, this is where you wait.
Send word when it's time to strike.
Okay.
Come see what pride, beauty, and years of experience can do for you. There he is. Keep at it. Show it.
I'm gonna go kill the guy, the witness. I'm gonna hit the synchronization point first because I'm tired of not having a map. So I record these videos in bulk. Whenever I think to, or whenever I realize that it's been 7 months since I've recorded anything. So I think I'm gonna do away, when I do record in bulk, I'm gonna do away with the everyday uploads, because that runs through my stockpile really fast. So I might try every other day, maybe only twice a week, until I can force myself to consistently... Holy shit, oh my god. Until I can get myself to consistently get stuff recorded and put out. I feel like that might be the better option, if I'm being entirely honest. Where's this hay bale so I don't die?
What? Hold on, idiots! Listen at me! Following the increase in accidents and drownings upon the Grand Canal, a decree has been brought into effect.
Ah, there you are. Is it done?
Yes, all your men are in place.
Bene, bene. Take this. I assume you know how it works. Find the highest point you can in the district, and fire it from there. This signals my men to begin the attack.
All right, then. I will see you on the battlefield.
That you will.
Maybe I might be thinking of a mission. Assassinate Dante and Silvio. So we got a two target tango. Thought there were pillars going all the way across the wall. Of course not. They're bridges. Oh, I shoved him with the power of my climb. That's just how good Ezio is. This'll date the episode. I don't know much about Magic the Gathering, but I know that just recently an Assassin's Creed collaboration came out, or is coming out. I don't know if it already has or not. But they gave new artwork to Ezio. They didn't base it off of any specific game. They just made a new outfit, like a new look. I like it. It's pretty good. Why not climb? Oh my god. They're unfazed.
Bartolomeo needs my help.
I'm not gonna stop for you.
Must
damn it.
return to l'Arsenale. Salute, Ezio!
Here for some company.
By all means! ring!
A fine specimen, isn't he? You should be honored to die by his hand.
Kill him! Kill him! Oh my god, kill him!
Come on! We need to stop the Strasone bastard!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Really? I can't. Okay, so he's immune to bullets. He's a bit overpowered.
My greatest regret is I could not have been one true believer.
There we go. Now I'm learning how to play the game. I say immediately as I mess up. I need to repair my armor.
Enough of this! We're out of time! Return to me! We must depart!
That's why he's immune to bullets.
Go now! That brute will no doubt lead you straight to his master. My men and I will remain here and keep the guards from giving chase.
Hurry! They're going to leave without us!
That's not good.
Yes.
I'm here with you, brother!
I'm nobody. Not important.
I could probably shoot him now.
Just try it.
Or not. Damn it, I hate it when they do that. Really? Really? Oh my god.
Nothing for you this way.
We won't get far. I see him. Hey!
What's happened here? Why the boats? I thought you sought the Doge seat.
Just a distraction. We were meant to sail.
Sail where?
I'll never tell. Cyprus is their destination. They want...
Non temete l'oscurità. Accettate il suo abbraccio. Requiescant in pace.
Well done, Ezio. Silvio is defeated, and the military district is returned to us. Perhaps now Venezia might finally enjoy a bit of pace e tranquillità. We should celebrate this victory!
I am glad for you and your men, Bartolomeo. But I cannot join. I fear my work has just taken a rather strange turn.
What do you mean?
Silvio wasn't looking to replace Marco as Doge. He was about to leave Venezia, in fact. This whole thing was just a distraction.
Why?
That is what I need to find out.
Two birds, one blade. That's the name of the episode. That's a great title. Sequence 10 complete. Am I about to be pulled out of the Animus? I never want to end the episodes immediately then, because of that reason. I'm not out of the Animus.
There you are, Ezio. Why so serious?
It's my birthday.
Davvero? 100 di questi giorni. That's wonderful.
Is it? It's been over 10 years since I watched my father and brothers die. 10 years hunting the men responsible. So close to the end now, but no closer to understanding what any of it was for.
You may not see it, Ezio, but it's better here now because of the things you've done. Basta. Look here. I have a birthday present for you. It's L'Arsenale's shipping manifest. From the day the boat left.
The boat to Cyprus. You're serious?
And guess when it's scheduled to return? Tomorrow.
Ezio,
Leonardo, when did you get back?
just now. I need to talk to you. Right away.
Go on. Have fun, boys.
This better be good.
Oh, it is. It is. Walk with me. Stay close. These last two codex pages. I was studying the copies. I don't know why I never saw it before. But when put together, I realized the markings on the back clarify into words. Here. The prophet will appear when the second piece is brought to the floating city.
Prophet. Only the prophet may open it. 2 pieces of Eden.
What are you saying? Ezio, what is this?
We've known each other a long time, Leonardo. If I can't trust you, there is nobody. My uncle Mario spoke of it long ago. A prophecy hidden in the Codex. Leading to an ancient vault that holds something very powerful.
Grandioso. But if you took these pages from the Barbarigo, then maybe they know about this vault too. That's not good.
Wait. What if that's why they sent the ship to Cyprus? To find this piece of Eden and bring it back to Venezia.
When the second piece is brought to the floating city,
the prophet will appear. Only the prophet can open the vault. My God! When my uncle told me about the Codex, I was too young, too brash to imagine it was anything but an old man's fantasy. But now I see. The killing of Mocenigo, even the Medici, my father and brothers. It was all part of his plan. To find the vault. The Spaniard.
Rodrigo Borgia.
The boat from Cyprus arrives tomorrow. I plan to be there to meet it.
Good luck, my friend.
Well, there it is. The end of episode 10. I think this is the last seal as well. So we can start the next episode. I was very wrong. This is not the last seal. I thought it was. I'm going to record the next episode, but before I do that, I am going to hit up all the next 5 synchronization points so the map will be more open for the start of the next episode. But that's for me to worry about and you guys to discover. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Maybe a bit different. I didn't cut nearly as much. I'm not sure how those will work, but regardless, I hope you all enjoyed and follow me along this journey, and I will see you all on the other side.